Hello and welcome you all guys back to my YouTube channel OJPL, and I hope you guys that you all will be following my YouTube channel from my last video. And in my last video I showed you all about how to create a web page using HTML from Notepad++ for the beginners, and today I'm going to show you some more tags and how to use a command in HTML. And okay guys, let's move into the video. Welcome to OJPL. And okay guys, and if you have my last tutorial, and you can just continue with that work, and if you don't have, please go watch my last video. I have given my link below in this video. Okay guys, now I'm gonna continue with my work with my last tutorial work, and this is my last web page. Just going to open with that, and here we have our last web page. My web page, we have used this in h tag, heading tag 1, and this one a paragraph first section, and we have divided that into 2. This is our second section. We have used this with h2 tag and again another paragraph. And today I will show you how to give a comment in our HTML and how to give space between paragraphs or a sentence and space between words. And let's continue our work today. And I'm going to open my HTML code by edit with Notepad++, and here we have our code, and here our code, and this is our first section, which one head tag, and this is our paragraph, and this is our second section h2 head tag, and this is our second paragraph, and we'll give some space between this, and we'll save and see our web page. Is there any changes in that? See guys, here no change has happened, so refresh and see, nothing has happened. So we'll see how can we give space between para. And again I am opening my code, and we'll use br tag for giving space. If we haven't used this line breaker, this HTML code won't bother about this space bar which we have given by pressing our enter or space bar. So now we have given our line breaker, and now we'll save our code and we'll check our web page again. Open our web page again. Here we can see our space, the space which we have given have appeared in our web page. And this was guys how we give space between sentence or para, whatever we need in our web page. And these are empty elements which no need a closing tag for this. And next thing we'll see how to give a comment in our code. Comments are used to give a note about your code, and that should not be appeared in your web page too. And we'll see how to give a comment in HTML. And to give comment, we need to open a angle bracket and exclamation mark, and then 2 hyphen. Then we can give what the comment we need in between this. So now we will give some comment in this. And to close this head tag, again we need comment tag, again we need 2 hyphen and less than mark. So this how we give comment in our HTML code. And guys, this is private only for you and your code. In your code this will be appeared. And to identify what kind of codes are we use this comment tag to identify our code details. And now we'll save this and see does this appear in our web page too. Okay guys, Ctrl S to save. And okay guys, now we have completed our comment section. Now we'll Ctrl plus S to save. Now we'll go back to our web page and we'll refresh and we'll check does that comment section are appearing in our web page. See guys, the comment section doesn't appear in our web page. So this is how we should give a comment in our code. And back to business. Now I will show you how to give additional space or space between text. And now I will type some word in my code, world, and now we'll save this and go back to my web page and we'll refresh here our text and we'll see how could we give space between this. Back to code, and just I'm pressing spacebar 3 times. Now again saving my code, going back to my web page, refresh. See guys, the space doesn't appear in my web page. So we'll see how could we give space between this. Okay guys, now we'll type our code and BSP. Now we'll copy this, Ctrl plus C to copy, paste, Ctrl plus V, and again Ctrl plus V. Now we'll save this and we'll go back to our web page. We'll refresh, and here we have got our space between these two words. And that's it guys, that's it I'm going to do for this tutorial section. And in my future videos I will give you more things, more details in HTML. And if you need some other things, you can comment in my comment box below. And keep supporting me guys. Subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, like my video, share my video. This is OJPL.